Welcome to Top Reviews Lab. The best Cross Stitch Bibs is probably one of the most adorable and practical items you can create for your little ones, offering a unique blend of handmade charm and everyday utility that sets them apart from mass-produced alternatives. Imagine the joy of gifting or using a bib that's not only functional in protecting clothes from spills and dribbles but also serves as a delightful canvas for personalized artistic expression, making meal times or teething sessions a little more special and a lot more stylish. These bibs are perfect for crafters looking to add a personal touch to baby essentials, transforming simple fabric into cherished keepsakes that capture memories and showcase creativity. Number 5. Dimensions Stamped Cross Stitch Baby Express Quilt. Introducing the Baby Express Quilt, a delightful DIY project perfect for celebrating new arrivals. This kit provides everything you need to craft a beautiful keepsake. The design is printed directly on the soft baby blanket with wash-away ink. Simply follow the stamped pattern to bring the adorable scene to life. This charming quilt features a colorful train filled with happy, smiling animals. It's sure to bring joy to any nursery. Your kit comes complete with cotton embroidery thread, a stitching needle, and a soft poly cotton baby blanket, ensuring a quality finish. Measuring 34 x 43, this unique baby quilt makes a thoughtful and memorable gift for expecting or new parents. Create a lasting treasure they'll adore. This stamped cross-stitch kit allows you to create a beautiful, personalized baby blanket. It's a wonderful way to make a special gift that will be treasured for years. What we like. This quilt kit features a unique wash-away ink pattern, making it easy to follow. It also boasts a charming animal theme perfect for nurseries. If you are looking for a special, personalized gift for new parents that will become a cherished keepsake, this is an excellent choice. What people say. The bibs are made of a soft, breathable cotton material that is gentle on baby's skin. The adjustable snap closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit as your baby grows. The cross-stitch design is intricate and beautiful, adding a touch of elegance to the bibs. Number 4. Leisure Arts Holiday Ornaments Galor Cross Stitch Book. Get ready to stitch your way through the holidays. This book features 98 delightful designs, from snowmen to elves and woodland creatures. You'll find patterns for stockings, angels, Santa, and so much more. It's a wonderful addition to your cross-stitch collection. These designs are perfect for creating handmade gifts that will be cherished for years. They also make a great addition to your own holiday decor. Stitching is quick and effortless with these easy-to-follow, step-by-step instructions. All you need is some yarn to get started. With 198 unique patterns, there's an ornament design for everyone on your list. Add a personal touch to your Christmas tree this year. Create festive ornaments to celebrate the season or stitch them as heartfelt gifts. These handmade pieces become treasured keepsakes. What we like. This book offers a vast collection of 98 Christmas ornament designs, from snowmen to elves. The patterns are designed for quick and effortless stitching. If you love celebrating the holidays and want to create a variety of handmade ornaments to decorate your tree or give as heartfelt gifts, this collection is ideal. What people say. The bibs are made of soft, absorbent material that is gentle on baby's skin. The adjustable snaps allow for a snug fit as the baby grows. The cute designs are a hit with both babies and parents. Number 3. Tobin Bears Stamped Cross Stitch Baby Bibs Kit T21706. Unleash your creativity with this delightful kit. You can easily craft charming baby bibs, perfect for your little one. Everything you need is right here. The kit comes with soft polyester bibs, vibrant cotton floss, a needle, and clear instructions. No experience needed. Our fully illustrated chart and instructions make stitching simple and enjoyable for everyone. Once finished, these bibs measure 9 by 14 inches. They are designed to be the ideal size for keeping your baby clean during meals. Support American craftsmanship with this product. It's proudly made in the United States, ensuring quality and care. Looking for a unique and handmade gift? This kit is a fantastic choice for baby showers or birthdays, offering a personal touch. What we like. This kit conveniently includes 2 baby bibs with easy hook and loop closures, and they are proudly made in the USA. If you are a new parent or looking for a practical and adorable handmade gift for a baby shower, these bibs are a fantastic option for creating something special. What people say. The bibs are made of soft, absorbent material that is gentle on baby's skin. The adjustable snap closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit for babies of different sizes. The cute and colorful designs are a hit with both babies and parents. Number 2. Janlynn Sleepy Bunnies Bibs Cross Stitch Kit. Get ready for a fun and rewarding crafting experience. This kit provides everything you need to create adorable bibs. Crafted with 14-count white cotton Ida fabric and vibrant 6-strand carded cotton floss. It even includes a touch of metallic thread for extra sparkle. No matter your crafting level, you'll find the instructions clear and simple. They are provided in multiple languages for your convenience. Bring a smile to your face with the charming Sleepy Bunnies design. A sense of humor is all you need to get started. Create a unique and handmade gift for a loved one. These bibs are sure to be cherished. This set includes 2 bibs, offering double the crafting fun. It's a complete package for your next project. What we like. This set includes 2 bibs and features the fun addition of metallic thread for a touch of sparkle. It also comes with instructions in multiple languages. If you enjoy adding a bit of shimmer to your projects and appreciate clear, accessible instructions, this kit is a great pick for creating cute baby bibs. What people say. The bibs are made of soft, absorbent material that is gentle on baby's skin. The adjustable snap closure ensures a secure and comfortable fit for babies of different ages. The cute and colorful designs are a hit with both babies and parents. Number 1. Janlynn 50224 A Virtuous Woman Cross Stitch Kit. Unleash your creativity and craft stunning pieces with this comprehensive kit. It provides everything you need to bring your vision to life. No need to search for supplies. This kit comes with all the necessary materials to get you started right away. Follow along with ease thanks to the clear and detailed instructions provided. They guide you through every step of the process. Embrace the beauty of this inspiring design. It's perfect for creating a meaningful and elegant piece for your home. Experience the joy of high-quality crafting with this thoughtfully assembled kit. It's designed for both beginners and experienced stitchers. What we like. This is a counted cross-stitch kit, meaning you'll create the design by counting the fabric holes. It includes all the necessary supplies and detailed instructions for a beautiful finished piece. If you are an experienced cross-stitcher who enjoys a more intricate project and wants a complete kit with everything you need to create a meaningful artwork, this is a wonderful choice. What people say. The bibs are made of soft, absorbent material that is gentle on baby's skin. The adjustable neck closure ensures a snug fit for babies of all sizes. The cute and colorful designs are a hit with both babies and parents. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.